What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. And in today's video, we're going to be going over some massive updates related to some SPAC stocks that could potentially be breaking out this upcoming week. Once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel so far. Your feedback is beyond appreciated. I couldn't do it without you guys. The growth this channel is experiencing is ridiculous. We're getting close to hitting that 15,000 subscriber mark, and I think we're going to hit it by Friday. And once again, I want to say thank you. And I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. We're getting a lot of great feedback in that chat room, and the new investors are catching on very quickly on how to play amazing options while keeping their risk-to-reward management extremely low. Most importantly, only subscribe to the channel if you feel this video gave you a better insight on stock market investing opportunities coming up in the near future. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information you don't want to miss out. Let's get into the video. All right, everyone, for today's video, we're going to be going over the company's skills, Fisker, Gold and Nugget. So what I'm seeing right now, this could be a nice week entering Monday. Understand, we have over 100 SPACs going public. Just because you see an article on a company does not make it an amazing opportunity to buy into. If you're buying call options, you believe in quicker, rapid movement, usually based around society and how others will invest in the company. A stock may be rising even if people care nothing about that specific stock because they're looking to make fast money. This is why you need to be careful with which SPACs you invest in because some could have major pullbacks, especially when you're entering options very quickly. Patreon will be throwing out multiple opportunities for you weekly, detailed summaries of why we choose those option plays as well as growth stocks to buy in long term as well. I'm also helping people make adjustments to better risk reward their portfolios. I've seen a lot of the newer investors heavy in one or two stocks. These are rookie mistakes that you can counteract very quickly to save you money long term. I'm a firm believer in growth stocks. I have two portfolios in growth as well. A lot of people are learning quickly in the Patreon. I'm very pleased with some of the adjustments I'm seeing you guys make in your option calls and portfolios. What I'm looking at is futures are up currently. Could lead to a very nice week. Remember, these usually update late evenings prior to the market opening, even on Sundays. We can see right here, Sunday, 6 p.m., Dow Jones futures jump more than 150 points as Wall Street tries to recover after tech struggles. I know a lot of people have been getting annihilated these past 2 weeks with tech and EV. You have to have a great diversification in your portfolio, and you will not see this happen. I see a lot of people going very tech heavy and EV heavy in only one or two. If you diversify this into 5 to 10, you're going to limit your risk drastically on these sell-offs. This is one of my growth stock portfolios. I developed this portfolio only less than 2 months ago. As you can see, September 13th, 8:38 p.m. while I'm filming this video. This is the growth stock portfolio. I put about $16,700 in. It's worth $23,900, and I've been having, massive sell-off across a lot of my stocks. Up over $7,000 with a 42% gain in nearly 2 months. This is unheard of. Dividend stock portfolios only give you a 3% return. Professional stock market advisors, pretty much get you around that 5 to 10% range yearly. So this is unheard of, 42% is very good in a short period of time frame, not even a year. I'm talking 2 months. This is why you diversify. I have a lot of this is why you diversify. When these sell-offs happen, your stock portfolio does not take a hit. And I see this portfolio going a lot higher in the future, potentially 50,000 in the next 6 months. You just don't know with these EV and tech stocks. When you base them out very nicely, you can see some crazy growth when you diversify correctly with these tech and EV stocks. I'm going to be teaching a lot about diversification and how you can literally build a growth stock portfolio in a matter of 1 or 2 months and see massive gains very quickly. Companies that I see being fined to buy regular stocks right now at these price points would be Skills, Online Gaming, Flying Eagle Acquisition Corp, 30 million players, 3.5 million daily tournaments, 60 million monthly prizes. Their games have high completions, meaning people are playing the full game until the end, which is a good sign on the quality of games they provide. Once again, I believe this is a good buy long term at the stock price. You have to understand there's no options available right now. If you plan on investing in this SPAC, just take a look at their website. This is Skills. Embrace your inner champion. They have a lot of great games. What I'm seeing is people are enjoying playing these games for hours. We can see right here we got Floyd Mayweather, the money team, Mayweather to launch knockout tournament series on Skills platform. Hundreds of thousands expected to compete in a free tournament for over 100,000. The gaming industry is larger than movies, music, and books, with more than 2.7 billion gamers playing monthly and 10 million developers worldwide. Mobile is the fastest growing segment of the gaming market, expected to increase from $68 billion last year to $150 billion in 2025. Today, we're a leader in casual esports, and we're well positioned to capture the global esports opportunity, which will increasingly define the gaming market, said Andrew Paradise, CEO and founder of Skills. So understand, this would be a great long-term play at these price points. I believe the stock is sitting around $12. Fisker SPAC stock, the Fisher Ocean, is the world's most sustainable vehicle. Fisker's all-electric, zero-emissions Fisker Ocean is the world's greenest car. Understand, products are a little ways out on this spec, 2022. So buying stock, you may not see crazy rapid growth immediately, that rocket fuel, big money mindset speed that we've been preaching about. And I know a lot of people on my channel are looking for rapid gains without risking day trading mentality that we want to avoid. Also, I'm seeing Fisker is pumping. We'll take a look at that in a second. So as I'm looking at this vehicle in a design approach, I really like it. It does look very nice. I like the wide body kit. It looks very solid, very tough. It looks designed well. Okay, so that is a plus. I understand that they're going, zero emissions, EV, that is very nice. So the part I just don't really understand is the Fisker Ocean will be the world's most sustainable vehicle. Materials made from recycled, abandoned fish nets and plastics from the ocean. That's the part where it's just, I feel like it's a little overboard on making a vehicle. Okay, you can go the zero emissions route. You don't have to recycle all of your materials into your vehicle. As we can see right here, the world's most sustainable vehicle, delivery starting in 2022. I think it's a little early to be going public with the via SPAC. I feel like they're just trying to capitalize on the epidemic. A lot of people are planning on investing, and that's just another part where I feel like they're rushing the jump. 250 to 300 miles, all electric range, very solid. Once again, vegan interior and recycled materials. I don't think that's going to, play a big factor in, making this a better vehicle. I understand a lot of people that are more eco-friendly would love to purchase a vehicle like this because they feel they're doing a very good for the world. I just don't understand it as a product development point. Fisker is pumping. Remember, hyliion has done zero pumping. Notice the similarity? Nikola, product development, miles away. Fisker, 2022, tons of pumping going public. Fisker is same as well. Check the Twitter. We can take a look at the Twitter real quick. This is 9 hours ago as I'm making this video. Henrik Fisker. The team is working on new sustainable interior materials and new tough materials for the extreme off-roading package. Force E for the ocean. Imagine going quiet, off-road, all electric. As you can see, we're getting a lot closer to these mergers, and the CEOs are coming out doing some pumping on the Twitter. It sounds like a little bit of desperation. You do not see that going on in hyliion. Hyliion is extremely quiet. The past 2 months, you've barely seen anything going on their Twitter. And understand, this is what we were seeing in Nikola as well, leading up to these mergers. It's just a thought process to think about. Understand, I'm not against SPAC. Just remember to take this into consideration when you're investing in a SPAC play. This would be an amazing opportunity for an options play, of course, but no options available at this time. And last, we got the LCA updates. Understand, jikh online gaming has been profitable for years. Revenues and numbers should be coming out this week for the company, as well as a potential merger vote. So I'm really hoping for this vote to come out this next week so we can get a time frame of when this merger is going to be finalized. I have option calls on these, and they could see some nice gains once merger is finalized. November calls have higher safety measures if you want to go that route rather than October calls. So understand, I did put all this information in a detailed summary in the Patreon. You can take a look at the different risk-reward management with these option calls. This has been a long time in the making. Golden Nugget Online Gaming as of June 29th. We've been waiting close to 3-4 months on this bad boy. LCA stock took off like a rocket, came down, that initial hype, that FOMO. An American online real money casino, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, was to become only the second pure publicly traded online casino company in the US. The unmentioned but obvious other company is DraftKings, which you can take a look at that stock and understand that was a SPAC merger as well. I want you to take a look, do some homework, and watch how that stock reacted leading up to that merger. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you and giving you guys some updates. Be sure to leave me a comment. I want to hear you guys' feedback on what you think is going to be happening this next couple of weeks. Give me a comment if you are investing in any of these companies in the near future. I'm going to be replying back to as many people as I possibly can. Most importantly, only subscribe to the channel if you feel this video gave you a better insight on stock market opportunities in the near future. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out. You don't want to miss it. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.